Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To show the Windows Update settings in the Settings app window in Windows 11, open the Settings app window, and then click the Windows Update button at the left side of the screen. The categories of Windows Update settings then appear in the right pane in this window. To run Windows Update, click the Check for Updates button at the right side of the screen. To pause Windows Update, click the Pause Duration button or select the pause duration from the Pause Update Setting buttons dropdown. You click the other Windows Update setting categories in the right pane to change their individual settings, which also appear at the right side of the window. To return to a previous screen when editing the settings, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Settings app window, or use the breadcrumb text navigation at the top of the settings at the right side of the window. This chapter examines the settings you can change within the Windows Update settings category.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.